Does your laptop randomly freeze? The mouse stops moving, apps stop responding, and you're forced to wait or restart? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. The good news is, random freezing usually happens because of a few common issues you can fix yourself. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to stop your laptop from freezing and make it run smoothly again. Let's jump in. First, let's see what's causing the freeze. Most of the time, one app is using too much memory or processor power. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager, then sort by CPU or memory usage. If one program is stuck at very high usage, select it and end the task. Outdated system files or drivers often cause random freezing, especially graphics drivers. Install all available updates, then restart your laptop. Too many startup programs can overload your system right after boot, which leads to freezing. Disable apps you don't need immediately when your laptop starts. If your laptop runs out of memory or storage space, freezing becomes much more common. Delete unused files, uninstall apps you don't use, and keep enough free space on your main drive. Overheating is another major cause of random freezes. When temperatures get too high, the system slows down or locks up. Make sure air vents aren't blocked, clean dust if possible, and avoid using the laptop on soft surfaces like beds or cushions. Malware or unwanted software can secretly run in the background and cause system freezes. Open Windows Security and run a full or quick scan. Here's a lesser-known fix. Increasing virtual memory can help prevent freezing when RAM fills up. Open Performance Settings, go to Advanced Options, and allow Windows to automatically manage paging file size. If freezing still happens, your storage drive might have errors. Open Drive Properties, go to Tools, and run an error check. And that's it. These steps fix most laptop freezing problems without needing professional repair. Go through them one by one, and your system should feel much more stable. If this helped, stick around for more quick tech fixes. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.